Okay, here's my shear, and the problem I'm having is going to be right down here. I want to hook up this thing right here. It is a dyno jack, as you can see right there. Okay, this is what I've got. Okay, this is a sheet metal shear, which I want to hook that up there, and I don't know if this one's in, which I think it is. I'm not sure. It's got the control on it. Then it's got this hose down here going into the bottom of it, which I don't know if that's in or out. What they're hooked to down here is this Scoville, I guess that's how you pronounce it. This unit here normally sits right there, and then these little globes here, they was just extended right over across here. Now I want to do away with this, all this, and it had the gauge in it, all that. Okay, I want to disconnect these two hoses, and them hoses, for some reason, somebody converted it, and because it used to be a foot shear where you had to step on this yellow thing, which used to be way out here, step on that and make it shear. But these are more, to me, these are like gas fittings, natural gas fittings, and they have them right here going in the side. I guess they have the same threads, but that's what's in there, and it's turned this way with these hoses here going to them here, and this hose here goes to the bottom here, and then this hose on the top goes to the top here. Now it's also got a gas, to me it looks like a gas fitting. Okay, now I need to know what I need, what size, or actually I need to know which one of these, if this, it's next to the pump, figured it pumps the fluid out, so it would go in one of these down here. Which one, I don't know. Which hose comes off of there and hooks to here. And this looks like a return going back into the reservoir where the fluid is. There's two T's, which this comes out like that. That's what we got. But this is the connection that this one don't fit, because it's not the actual fitting that goes in there, so I'm not even going to force it. But I don't know if this is the in, or I mean the out, where the fluid comes out and goes through that line and then comes out the other line and goes back into here as a return. Something has to return back into here. This is the pump, I know, so it has to be sucked up to this. Why it's got a T on it, maybe it ran another one, I don't know. But it has to come out of, it'd be sucked out of here, pushed down the hose here into one of these down here. I don't know which line goes to it. I would think this would be like a return, but then again you've got two, it's a T, it's got two, so I'm thinking maybe take this one off, fix it where I hook a hose to that, take this off, fix it where I can hook the other hose to this. But I don't know if this is pump out and then return. That's all I need to know. And it runs off a 12 volt, like off a car battery. There's a 12 volt solenoid, and here's the end wires here. That's all I need to know.